What's up, Robin James? It's your Team Honk Honk Goose here, coming in with another fresh coding video. Today, we are going to show you the GCU store. RIP mildly cold ramen. RIP all our competitors. We got this. Team Honk Honk Goose. I'm going to pass it off to my boy, Jordan Elkins. Jordan.
Oh, snap. What's up, y'all? Word. All right. So, first one that we're going to cover, let me preface this a little bit. So we're doing all the admin stories today. However, we have already essentially completed the other stories. Minus some tweaking. The other stories are done. There will be lots of Easter eggs and goodies that will come from this. You shall just have to see and wait and such.
That's just how Team Honk Honk Goose do.
Yes. So we're going to start off with create product for no particular reason.
And I believe that might be Anastasia's.
It is correct. It is labeled incorrectly, but it is Anastasia's, I think.
We're done mine? I think that is yours, Jordan.
It says mine. Yeah. You want me to do it? I'll do it. Okay, so first one we're having here is creating a new product from scratch to add to our table called products. It's quite simple. We're just setting the values of name, price, and stock status, with stock status being a Boolean, so it's either a 1 or a 0. I mean, it's kind of simple beyond that. I mean, we're just doing that, and then at the very end, it'll just regurgitate the information that the user's inputted, and then converts the 1 or a 0 to, say, in stock or out of stock as a print status, and then kicks you back to the admin menu. So I think, unless there's something I missed, that's basically it on that one.
Just my diatribe about how I think that when you have two options, a Boolean is a very good data type for that. So we hold it as that 1 or 0 on the SQL side, but on the user side, it can still translate to being either in stock or out of stock.
Yes.
See, what you're getting there is that goose tenacity, not just accepting the stock answers, not just accepting the basic minimum, pushing forward, innovating, doing the new thing.
We're gonna run, some big corporation someday. All three of us together. Yep. We're gonna be the new Apple.
We're gonna be not Snapple. I almost said Snapple. So next one's gonna be read all products. Apparently this one's mine as well. So we found we had to make a couple make products. So one kicks you back to the admin. The other one doesn't kick you back to the admin menu. It's they're essentially the same other than that, but read all products, basic select statement for give us your money.products, pulls everything out and puts it in nice pretty columns with ID, name, price, and stock status. Again, converted from 1 and 0 to in stock and out of stock. That's, I guess, all I really need to say about that one, because there's really not much more to say. Let's see. Delete product. So there's the delete product. That one goes over to Andrewski.
Thanks, Jordan. I'm happy to be able to cover this method here today for you. We have our basic sysouts giving information to whoever's on the console, and then we have our try catch, and inside that we've got our basic code for deleting items from, can't really see the code right now, but deleting items from the database. And we have it set up to cascade, and all this together means, combined with the way we wrote our SQL statement, means you can't delete items that are in a user's shopping cart. So that's one significant thing to note about this delete product method. Pretty basic otherwise. Jordan and Anastasia, do you have anything to
add? No, I mean, this printf looks oddly familiar, but that's because we shared, because sharing is caring.
We share a lot at Team Honk Honk Goose.
Yes,
There's
teamwork.
a lot of repetition here. I think we skipped update though.
No, that one's next.
Okay.
And this one is status. So there you go. There's your child.
Yeah. So there's update product to update the information, either the name or the price. And then
No, yeah, there's product. Sorry.
enter everything in every single time you want to update something. I feel like the update product status needs to be separate in order to have that kind of easier way of updating. And this update product status also helps out with the delete product, because you can't delete a product if it's in someone's shopping cart, but you can update the product status whether it's available or not. And then the users can't have access to those items. So that is kind of a way to get around that cascading that Andrew mentioned earlier. So in this one, you just have the print out all the products, ask them which item they want, and then we have that update statement, and sends it on off and goes back to the admin.
We're gonna showcase our stuff a little bit.
Sure.
Something we didn't cover is we have login credentials for admin status in our users. So we added a new column. Basically, it's a Boolean, one or a 0. And this was Anastasia's idea. Very well implemented, I might add. Yeah.
So wait, why do we need an admin username and password? Who cares? Why does that even matter?
It's called security, pal. I mean, everybody knows. So currently the password is the same, admin1, and password is admin1. If you put in something wrong, it'll kick you right back out. And we will see that if we put in the correct username and password, it's successful.
Wow. What products do we actually have in our store right now?
So we want to start with option 2. See all products. Look at that, guys. We have all these wonderful products, including some that we don't have because they're out of stock. What do we want to...
I feel like we just got a new product in our inventory that we haven't actually added to the store yet.
Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and add that then. What's the name of the product?
Mythical item.
What's the cool item name?
Is it the same item as before?
But they don't know that because they're not canon to that.
We got a fresh shipment of spatula, not spatulas, but one spatula.
Rob's spatula. Oh, what's the price on that spatula? Because I hear that it's pure gold, pure titanium.
There's not enough memory on our computers to write the actual price of the spatula, so we're gonna have to compromise. We're
just gonna go with right under $100,000.
Low price.
And it's in stock, guys. Look at that.
Nice.
Look how pretty. Oh, what's that? Andrew wants to keep it for himself. Oh no, so we have to take it out of stock?
You can't sell that. You can't sell that on the store. Some mildly cold ramen noodle might get it.
Well, we better go ahead and select 132 and delete that from the system, because we would hate to see that happen.
Do you want to...
Oh, look, it's gone, guys. You're good, Andrew. It's there. It's not there anymore.
Good. I'm glad I can keep that spatula of Rob's all to myself. That can opener, though, it looks like it's a little bit expensive. Could we, reduce the price on that a little bit?
Let's see. How much do we want that can opener to cost?
I think that's a $4.99 can opener.
Is this a manual can opener, or... What can opener is $4.99?
It's a Walmart can opener. It's a dollar store can opener.
Let's see. Did we update that? Oh, look at that. We did. Oh,
nice.
A miracle. All right. And let's see. Oh, what's that? We got some can openers in stock to sell. Let's go ahead and change that real quick. Oh, yes, it is in stock.
Now people can buy those $4.99 can openers.
Oh, it didn't work.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well,
Oh.
is that part necessary for this video?
It's not.
No.
That so, we might as well just say like there's a lot of extra functionality we've worked through here, and it would be robbing you of, a beautiful opportunity to see the truth, to take out all of the in video edits that we've done. So we might just leave this one in here,
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna take it out. So minus all that rigmarole jazz.
We keep it real at Team Hong Kong Goose here. So what you're seeing is real time.
The next thing we need to cover are our resources and thought processes when we wrote this particular program together.
Resources Red Bull.
Red Bull. I drink the Starbucks energy drinks, double shots. And then past projects, the Contact DB project, specifically for me. I think Anastasia probably too, yeah.
All the SQL projects. I've been keeping track of all my SQL statements just so that I've got the structure going.
What about you, Andrew? What have you been using?
Well, if you don't keep track of all your SQL statements, there's a great tool you can use that's not as good as, being organized, but it still works. It's called Google, and I Googled my SQL statements for W3 Schools. And so I use W3 Schools for the SQL, and an even more invaluable set of resources to me was actually Jordan and Anastasia, because full transparency, I was last to this show and they'd already done a lot of this, and they helped me where I was struggling. So I just want to give a shout out to my boys on Team Hong Kong Goose, Jordan and Anastasia, because they were very helpful to me.
Hyunk. I think that's it, right? We don't need to cover anything else. We're good.
So in this video, I think we've shown Goose superiority.
Move on to the user side and just crank it all out.
No, well, we gotta save something for next time. Otherwise, you can't. It's like Netflix. You put a season up of something, you don't want to binge everything. You gotta suspense is key here. We gotta suspense.
You and I both know, Jordan, that you didn't think of Netflix first, but you filtered to that second thought pretty quickly. So I think that was really professional, actually.
Yes, I try.
Yeah.
But I think we're done here. We're definitely done here. So every time I sign off, I like to say something that they say here in Hawaii. That's a hui ho, which means until next time.
This is Team Hong Kong Goose. Ahoy hoing for
Ahoy ho.
you all. We will see you in the next awesome video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and watch our content for the latest geese coding videos. Peace.
Hyonk.